Stay tuned for the best plantain fritters recipe ever. But before I do that, let me welcome you to my channel. I wish for you a prosperous 2025. It is indeed your season to thrive. Oh, hi there, everyone. This is your Jamaican girl. Welcome to my kitchen. I invite you to like, share, subscribe, and comment as I demonstrate recipes that I learned from my mom. To start this recipe, I will wash and peel my plantains, slice them along the center in half, and then boil them until fork tender in salt water for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, pour away the water from the plantain, put it in a large bowl, allow it to cool down, and then mash until it is smooth enough. After mashing, this is what your plantain should look like. I'm going to add to that a cup of coconut milk in parts, and then I will combine it to ensure that I incorporate all the coconut milk. All right, family and friends, this promises to be good, so please hit that like button and comment. Tell me if you have already tried this recipe. Now, family and friends, I've grated half of a large onion. I've added my pig desalted saltfish and 2 tablespoons of flour and combined well. Next, I add to that my powdered seasoning. Whatever you want to use, it is really up to you, family and friends. Make it your own and add to that some black and white pepper. Next, I combine well, and then I add my tomatoes and bell peppers. You can add a little bit of thyme. You can add some scallions to this. It's really up to you. In a deep Dutch pot, I've added about a cup of oil to heat well. Use my spoon to make uniform ball-like fritters, and then add it to the frying pan and fry until golden brown. Now, family and friends, look at this. It's all golden brown and it smells so divine. It takes about 8 minutes, 4 minutes on either side to make this perfectly golden brown fritters. For my spiritual encouragement, I want to tell you that this is a season for new beginnings. Isaiah 43 verses 18 and 19 tells us that we are to forget the past. God wants to bring forth a river in our desert circumstances, and he wants to make a way in our wilderness moments. Now, family and friends, the fritters are all done fried. You can add your perfect dip to this. The dip of choice is really up to you. It's once again another of my mother's favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Remember to like, to share, to subscribe, leave your comments, and I'll see you next week.